Okay, the Bamboo Ice cleaning solution. How much do you need to use of it? And how often do you need to change the water inside your spec shaker? Well, 1, 2, that's all you need to use. Out of that just came about 4 to 6 drops. Fill your spec shaker halfway with water, and that's it. You can use that same water and cleaning solution mix all day, every day for up to 1 week. This little cleaning solution bottle, so there's about a quarter left, has been enough to clean mine and my partner's glasses since January this year, which means that's fantastic on the pocket. It's really cheap to use with extra cleaning solution bottles only at $16.99, including delivery. It's eco-friendly. It can be poured down any waterway or down the sink without harming the environment. Plus, it's made locally in Melbourne. If you've got any other questions about the cleaning solution, please contact our support via email at support@bambooeyes.com.au. Thanks again.